Hi there everyone. With this lesson we're going to be leaving from a parallel parked space behind another vehicle. Now it looks as if I have enough space to leave, but I want to be certain that I have enough space, so what I'm going to do is start the car, then back up maybe about a meter. Now there is a car I can see in my rear view mirror. He's pretty close, but I'm sure I have enough space. Maybe about 2 feet. I could back up before trying to leave. So anyway, I'm gonna start the car. Then I get rid of my parking brake, place my gear selector to reverse. Now back up, and when I'm backing up, I don't just look in the mirror. I have to turn my head so I can see what's going on, and now I have sufficient space to leave. So I place my gear selector to drive, signal to the left. Now I take one complete revolution of the steering wheel to the left. That should give me enough way out, and then I check my rear view mirror again, check all around, check my left outside mirror and my left blind spot, and it seems as if it's safe. So I keep checking as I'm leaving, and now I'm out. Then I recover to the right and I'm gone. And that's how you exit from behind a parked vehicle. Now that's something you may have to do on your driving test. So whether or not you're doing it on the driving test, you should know how to properly execute that maneuver. Okay, right turn, next street. Signal to the right, mirror, right shoulder, hand over hand steering, and recover. Well, see that person with their kid walking across the road? She's not even looking. Stop sign, white line. And it's a four-way stop sign, so I move up. Even though it's a four-way stop sign and I'm the only one, but you still have to check left, right, because there are people who will drive straight through the stop sign. So you wanna be safe. Now here's another stop sign. Do we have a white line? There is one. When I don't see the line, then I stop right there. Check left, right, then I proceed. Now we have a sharp turn here to the left. Now this is a residential area, so I'm driving at about 35 kilometers an hour. Some areas it's 15, some 20, some 30. Now it's a left turn, this next street here. Check my mirror and over my shoulder, make my left turn into the street. Check intersection. Now I'm gonna take a left turn into the next street. You can see all the nice snow here. Left turn, check, and make the turn. I'm approaching a stop sign. Let's see what we've got. White line. Yes, there is. Now I don't see it, so I stop, check, and leave. But keep checking. Remember, even though it's a four-way stop sign, someone could be flying through that stop sign, so you want to make sure it's safe before you enter the intersection. Another stop sign here. Ooh, there's a hole right there. Ooh. Whoa. Now, do I have a white line? No. Do I have a sidewalk? Yes. So I stop before it. Check. And I have a stop sign, but anyone coming there or there, they don't yield to me. They have the right of way because they don't have a stop sign. Okay, so there's someone approaching from the left. Now I can see all the way up there. So I want to go straight, so I accelerate. Okay. Now I'm actually going straight across this main street here, but I have a stop sign and a white line. So I stop when I don't see that white line right there. But there's a dirty snow over there, can't see anything. And look how high it's here, can't see anything. So if I shoot across there, some guy like that, I'd get hit from two sides. So the idea is to creep up, check the crosswalk, make sure there's no one in there, make sure it's safe to the left and to the right, and it is. Now I go. Stop sign coming up ahead. We're making a left turn. Is there a white line? No. Is there a crosswalk? Yes, so I don't block it. Now I can't see too much because the snow is so high. So I inch up until I can actually see. And it's clear to the right, clear to the left. So I make my turn. Now I've got another stop sign here. What do I have? Nothing. So I just stop at the stop sign. There. Check. Leave. This is a three-way stop sign. Next street down. It's a right turn. Right signal. Check over my right shoulder. And it doesn't hurt to check a second time. Hand over hand steering, and I'm on the street. Now this will be the end of this driving tips lesson. Hope you picked up a few pointers, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.